Hi mamas, it's Shen here from Mama Banana and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun product review for you and I have a competition to reveal at the end. So I just got my latest Orchard Hearts haul and I have the Baby Milan in royal blue. I have the crossbody bag in blush and of course I have their uber cute white pouches. So let's just get straight into today's super fun product review. So first of all, we have the Baby Milan here from Orchard Hearts. All their bags are made from full grain leather. You can see here it has all the leather pattern on it. It's gorgeous. And this is their cute little crossbody bag. It's a take on their full-size Milan diaper bag. It can be worn as a backpack. You can thread the strap through these loops here on the back to wear on your back or for your child to wear on the back, and it can obviously be worn crossbody. It has a long strap. I will take measurements and include it down below. And what I love about diaper bag clasps is that they tend to be removable, the straps. It has a lobster clasp. Okay, there's no thumb thingy-majig. You just need to kind of push this in to open it and take it out of the D-rings here. I actually prefer it without the thumb clasp. It's a little bit more awkward to open, but I think it looks much neater. Flip that back on. Oh, and there is a handy little handle up here. I think all bags should have a little grab handle. It's just so handy. There are two side pockets. I usually maybe keep a mask at the side or something else I need to be able to grab quickly. And then on the front here, there are the zip tags with the Orchard Heart branding on it. You can see Orchard Hearts there, and obviously the logo on the front. It is so beautiful. And then it has, what do I have here? I have some gloves. It has a gorgeous light coloured lining. I find that the bags from Orchard Heart, they tend to have a light coloured lining with a bit of a pop to it, and that's what I love. It's kind of a satiny cotton feel to it. Gorgeous. And the way I pack pretty much all my bags are, I like to organise them with just one thing, and I use my Kipling Creativity pouches. Pop that in to create organisation. Okay, I do have some Jujube pouches here, just give you an idea on sizing, but this is the Kipling Creativity pouch in size large. Correction down here if I'm wrong. At the bottom, I like to keep a foldaway shopping bag. I always bring a shopping bag out with me. It's just super handy to have, either to pick up shopping or to pop all the kids' stuff into jackets, coats, whatever, if I need to leave anywhere in a hurry. Now, inside the bag, there's no other organisation. There isn't another zip slip pocket. It's because it's quite a petite bag. But this and the Jujube Mini BFF are my favourite little handbags. They're super, super cute. Okay, so here I have a Jujube medium set piece. As you can see, it's going to be a bit too tall to fit into here. And then I have a small set piece here. Okay, and obviously that fits well. So this is just right width-wise, okay, with a bit of room to spare. And just to show you as well, the bags come in this little dust bag with a leather tag on the front. Again, it has Orchard Hearts on it. And they also come with these little leather tags that have Orchard Hearts print on one side and love on the other side. I like to pair my blush pink tag with the blue, with my royal blue bag, because I just think it looks much cuter. And I have keychain here from Miss Fong. It is so cute, so soft, so dense, the little fluff on this. And I think this grey one pairs extremely well, even if it does have the gold hardware on it. That is the Baby Milan. Super, super cute. And here I have the crossbody bag. Okay, again, it has the same type of strap and leather. So the strap, it's not extendable, it's just the one size. Fortunately for me, that sits perfectly on my hips, exactly where I want it. Same lobster clasp without the little thumb flip. Okay, and it also comes with a short strap. Where did I put the short strap? That's the short strap that you can wear under your arms. Okay, I will just quickly attach to show you. Again, I will measure this post-recording so I can give you measurements on it, and for all the measurements it will be just the length of the leather strap. I won't include the length of the clasp. Okay, but this is how it looks with the short strap, so that will just fit under here for a quick clutch and go like that. And then that's it. If you want to wear it as a wristlet, for me it'd be a bit big as a wristlet. So this is the Orchard Heart crossbody bag. That's the name of it. Okay, even though the other bag is crossbody, this is their crossbody bag. It has double zipper again, and these are metal zippers. Okay, and again it has the same zipper tags on it with the logo Orchard Hearts, and then Orchard Hearts again on the front. Okay, and then it has a slip pouch in front with a magnetic closure. This is perfect for phones, etc. And then there is a back zip pocket. Again, it has the zipper tag with the Orchard Hearts on it. This goes all the way down to the bottom and pretty much the full width of the bag, so it's a nice big pocket. So that's also good for your phone if you're going to be anywhere where you want your phone to be extra secure. And then on the inside, there is no other pocket or organization, and it has that gorgeous light turquoise lining. It's a beautiful color pop. So I'm going to do a size comparison with some of the Jujubee items here. So right here I have the Jujubee Quick. Okay, this is a Quick. I just removed the strap here because I didn't think it looked well. The Orchard Hearts bag is slightly narrower than the Be Quick. It is taller than the Quick, as you can see. In terms of width, it's going to be deeper here. It's like wider here at the side. Okay. And then I'm going to grab a large set piece. Okay. So the Orchard Hearts bag is just slightly wider, and obviously it is taller again. Let's see if it will fit in. Oh, here's a hack. If you wanted to create some organization within your Orchard Hearts bag, okay, you can pop in a large set piece, and then you can use either side here, inside and outside of the large set piece for internal organization. Woohoo! I love it when you find some other way of organizing bags, but that is very handy to know. And then I will show you how it looks with, oh no, the medium set piece won't go within here, within the bag. Okay. So there's the medium set piece, and then let me grab the small set piece. How cute is this Rainbow Dreams print? And that fits in here. Fun fact, Silken, the founder of Orchard Hearts, she is a Jujube fan as well, and a Tokidoki fan. But who isn't a Tokidoki fan? I love Tokidoki. If you're a Tokidoki fan, let us know in the comments down below. That is the crossbody bag, and let's pop the strap on again. So just to say the leather here, it is slightly stiff, but the good thing about that is that it's a lighter leather, so it's not a really thick, heavy leather. It feels a little bit different, but I do like that it is still soft. Onto the wipes pouch, I got the set of 3, which came in this really, really cute zip bag. Okay. That's the size of the little zip bag, so it's so cute. Who doesn't love extra pouches? Okay, these white pouches, they open up at the side here. So I actually find it easy opening at the top or the bottom to stick the wipes in. I don't really have a preference. The white pouches, they open up top. There is a grommet hole over here for you to attach these little wristlets, and they pop open so you can wrap them around the stroller or whatever. I love these, they are so handy, and these have the Orchard Hearts branding on it. Okay, and the clasp here does have a little thumb clasp, and now this is super cute. I'm gonna open this up. I don't know if you can see here, but the opening for the wipes is in the shape of a heart. I thought it might help with the wipes coming out separately, but it doesn't really make a difference, okay? It doesn't make a difference. It comes out perfectly anyway, the wipes, and the hole is still, it's small, but still wide enough just to shove wipes back in when you need to. Okay, if the kids go through your bag and start pulling all the wipes out, it's easy to shove it in like that. I have the water wipes in here, and the water wipes tend to be a longer wipe, and it fits perfect. Okay, and just for comparison, here I have the Y pouch, and they are pretty much almost the exact same size. The Orchard Hearts one is slightly longer, but only by this little ziplock part. The Y pouch, they have this little zippy locky thing. Now, actually, just to point out, okay, if you ever lose these little zippy lock things, or if they break and come off, you don't need to return them. They still work. You just need to press your finger along it to close them. Okay, these are the different front openings. The Y pouch has an oval hole, and Orchard Hearts has a heart-shaped one, which I think is so, so cute. Both of them comes in lots of prints. And I have one more wipes pouch for a comparison, and this is the one from Bumpco. It comes with the Bumpco diaper pouch. The one from Bumpco is much bigger. Okay. And the hole in the Bumpco is also much bigger, and the one for Bumpco also opens much wider. You can fit more in this, but with both of these, they can fit about half a water wipes pack very comfortably. And yeah, I think they're so cute. Now I have a competition for you, okay? I will be giving away, I don't know the name of this print, but I will be giving away this wipes pouch from Orchard Hearts. I will be announcing that competition shortly on my Instagram. It's just right now I have a competition running where I am giving away this custom-made Jujube bag. Okay, so I will be doing the wipes pouch giveaway next month. But if you want to win this Jujube custom-made bag, then just leave a comment down below that you'd like to enter the competition, and you will be entered into it. And for extra entries, you can follow me on Instagram, comment on the relevant posts, and you will be entered in. You know, if you have any Orchard Hearts products as well, I would love to hear what products you have, which ones are your favorite. Leave a comment down below. So thank you so much for stopping by my review today. Next week, or whenever it arrives, I will be reviewing the brand new Miss Fong crossbody bag. It is so cute. I can't wait for it to arrive. So exciting, but it is held up right now because of the Brexit customs backlog, right? But stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see that and other fun product reviews just from mamas.